On today's video, we will visit Saigon's central post office and walk from there to bustling Ben Thanh Market. Come with us to explore central of Ho Chi Minh City.
This is how the fish sauce look like. It's always terrifying. Then you pour it in. So this is steamed pancake Banh Cuon, aka Banh Cuon. So we have three different kind of sausage, Vietnamese sausage, and it's a steamed rice cake. And they have a filling meat inside, and there's fried onions and bunch of salad under it.
We just booked a Grab to Central Post Office and we intend to walk from there to
Ben Thanh Market. We have gonna have lunch from there.
We have arrived to the famous post office. They also have the Notre Dame Church in here, but is under renovation. So this is the old post office. They also have some shops in here. You can actually send the postcards from there. But yeah, it's like there's an old map, there's Uncle Ho, and there's a map of Saigon in 1892. Pretty cool colonial era building. Earlier they had a Ho Chi Minh Museum. It's not the war museum, but like a general Ho Chi Minh museum. Looked pretty cool. They also had fighter jets and tanks outside, but the war museum is in District 3, I guess. Is it on District 3? Yes. So this museum is in District 1. It's pretty hot today and humid. Yeah, I think it's about 28 to 30 degrees Celsius.
So I think they have south, north, east, west gate. So
Yeah.
we are facing the north gate.
Yeah. So we're gonna go there. So in the north end, they have clothing in here and watches. Deeper we go, they will have a food.
Go straight to the eating place.
Okay,
Cool. Do you want to eat? Are you hungry?
I can eat something a little bit. Pretty huge market.
And we never shopping in here.
I have been here before and I bought some shirts earlier and something like that. But in here you should bargain from the clothing a lot. All the trinkets and clothing, you can bargain the price.
Souvenir something many design. Have a look at come see for you.
In here, some drinks in here. We will go to eat something in here. Don't know yet what.
I think we have to stand somewhere. I think they closed.
Oh,
The one that I want to eat is closed.
it's pretty hot in here. They have a lot of people and they're cooking food, so we're just trying to find some eating place.
Mostly soup. Mostly soup, not something dry.
Okay. So maybe we can eat some soup.
It's freaking hot. So I
Yeah.
don't think that để em đi coi lòng vòng. Em ăn gì?
Vì vậy trong nhà đó món nào cũng có. Muốn ăn cái gì? Anh nói thiệt.
Chưa biết luôn.
Nè bây giờ có cơm, có bún, phở nè, trong menu. Cơm có bún, có bánh canh cua.
Vậy
Đậu tôm, thịt nướng rồi nè, đó vô đây ngồi nè.
Đi nhiêu đó chợ nhiêu đó rồi đi vòng vòng vậy. Nhiêu món mà nhà anh 10 quầy nhiêu món vậy.
you want to eat em muốn thêm đi. You want gỏi cuốn.
Dạ em ăn đậu tôm đi.
Bèo, cái này bèo nào
Đậu tôm, thịt nướng rồi nè, đó mấy này nè.
Bên đó hơi nặng.
nè, đây nè.
Đó đem nướng.
Or you want gỏi cuốn? That is quite light. If you still full. It's like fried. It's a fried one. You want that? Vậy cho
Có gì cho
cho em một phần chả giò với một phần bánh
bánh bao bột lọc hay là
Bèo lọc chung luôn ha, cho nó mix lại nó cũng bằng giá đó à.
nếu có bằng giá thì em lấy mix luôn.
có xay này ưng.
Had a funny moment with the other vlogger earlier, but yeah, I will put it in the film. If you know her, tag her in the comment section.
Actually, honestly, this is my first time eating inside a Ben Thanh Market. Never been in here. It's quite pricey, according to look at, and it's quite hustle. He's trying to plus it in because he said that like all the restaurant is gonna be the same. So yeah, it's all the same dishes. And then okay, so like the one restaurant that I want to go is already closed, so I cannot try that. So I just have to choose one. So this is the dish that I choose. It's actually from the middle of Vietnam. Yeah, em cảm ơn. And I choose sugar cane and Jonas take cafe syrup. This is kind of like mix of the bánh bèo and bánh bột lọc. Yeah, I don't know what is this in English, so I would just say in Vietnamese name. So and then they have like a shrimp. Usually they have a shrimp inside. It's quite chewy. And this is made from the rice cake powder, and they steam it. They put it in a small bowl, and then they steam it. And we have some crunchy banh mi crust, yeah. And I have a little shrimp, and with a sweet and sour fish sauce, some little pickle, and yeah, it's like I think it's called 50,000 dong, according to the menu that they say. Hopefully that they put the right price.
I chose to eat
Fried spring roll.
fried spring rolls. and I took a coffee.
You want to still visit around?
You can go to the front. Go to the front. You can go from there.
I think that
Yeah, that end. Basically, everything in here. Watches. Buy some cookie. Cookie, Dolce Gabbana.
Hello sir, have a look sir.
Now we have reached on the front side of the Ben Thanh Market. So we came to Takayashima Center, which is pretty near to the Ben Thanh Market. It's like a pretty big shopping mall, and I bought a mint chocolate ice cream from Asabu Sapo shop. It cost 70k in a cup, and let's see how it tastes. I will take with the spoon a little bit. Really minty, yeah, chocolate's also good. Good ice cream.